Missing desktop icons? This video shows you how to restore and hide system and custom app icons on Windows desktop, keeping your desktop organized. You can read the video text version in below page.
First, let's look at how can I retrieve the system built-in app icons on desktop. Right-click the blank area in the desktop, click Personalize. Then on the left, click Underneath. On the right, click Desktop Icon Settings on the top right corner. And now you can see there are several 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 checkboxes. If you check this checkbox computer and click Apply, you can see this PC icon will be added on the desktop. You can check other checkbox and click Apply. Now all the system built-in icons has been added on desktop. If you do not want to show it, you can uncheck it and click Apply again. Okay, you can also change the icon style. Select it and click Change Icon. And you can select icon for it to become this. Okay, now when you click Apply, this PC icon has been changed to this. Okay, all these are for the system built-in icons. But how about the application icons? The application which you are installed, for example Microsoft Edge. If you want to hide the Microsoft Edge icon, you can right-click it, then click Properties and click General, and there is a hidden checkbox. Check it, click Apply. Then the Microsoft Edge icon disappears. Click OK. But how can we retrieve the Microsoft Edge icon? You can open the File Explorer, then click the desktop. Because the Microsoft Edge icon is placed in the desktop, then click View, check this checkbox, Hidden Items. Now the Microsoft Edge icon can be shown here, but it is in hidden state. Right-click it, click Properties, click General, and uncheck this hidden checkbox. Click Apply, click OK. Now the Microsoft Edge icon show again. Several icons on your desktop is not clear, so we can hide those icons which we do not use always, and to make the desktop clear. So we can select all the icons that we will not use very often and right-click it, then click Properties. Note, the icons should be application which you installed, not the system built-in icons. Then in the dialog, check the hidden checkbox, click Apply, click OK. Oh, sorry. And we also need here, and check the hidden items. Now the icons disappear on the desktop, and this can make your desktop clean. If you want to show them again, open the File Explorer, click Desktop, click View, and check the hidden items. Now they will be shown on the desktop, and you can use it.